Independence Day is coming up soon and I'm sharing the recipe of a healthy tricolor pasta salad. The dressing is vibrant and flavorful. Let's make this together. I'm making the dressing in a jar because it's easier to mix it. We're going to start by squeezing 1 lime. This should be about 1 or 1.5 tablespoons of juice in total. Next goes in 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Some oil is good for your fat-soluble vitamins, guys, so make sure to use it. Next goes in 2 tablespoons of honey, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of mustard powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And that's it. We are going to combine all that together, give it a good shake, and your dressing is ready. This dressing doesn't have any mayonnaise. It is light with sweet, salty, and peppery notes. Love it. And for the veggies of the pasta, let's start with the greens first. I'm starting with 1/2 an avocado. This really adds to the creaminess of the pasta. Next goes in 1 green cucumber and 1 green bell pepper. For the white color, I'm using shredded cabbage. This is 1 cup of shredded cabbage and also using 1 cup of finely chopped white onion. And for the orange or saffron is 1 cup of diced carrots and tomatoes. For today, tomatoes are orange. Okay, guys? Just mix it in so it looks like red highlights and orange color. Okay, and this is 1.5 cups of macaroni pasta that I boiled in some water with salt and olive oil so they don't stick to each other. Let that cool down and add it over the tricolor salad. Mix that in and let's hope it still looks like a tricolor salad. Still does, I think, right? What do you think? And now it's time to add our lovely dressing. And what we absolutely cannot forget is to add a lot of cheese, because cheese makes pasta salads so yummy. This is Parmesan cheese, but you can use any cheese of your choice. I hope you enjoy this beautiful salad, guys, and happy Independence Day.